Is this you practicing your chopper invert over and over again, thinking you're almost there, but you keep sliding down and you don't understand why you're not getting any better? And you want your chopper invert to look more like this. Now, here's the thing. Most people focus on just doing the move over and over again without really understanding what their body needs to do to get there and what muscles they need to engage. A strong chopper invert isn't just about practicing the move over and over. It's about building the right strength and learning how to use that strength on the pole. And that's why I split pole rage into two parts. You've got your cross training to build the strength off the pole, and you have pole conditioning to use that strength to improve your technique on the pole. And together, they help you achieve your chopper invert. So let me show you what I mean. Your upper back helps you lift into your chopper. So it's important to build the strength in your lats and your upper back muscles to support that lift. Your lower core and your hip flexors allow you to lift your knees up as high as possible. The higher your knees are, the easier it will be to get into the right position before you can tilt it into your chopper. So it's important for you to learn how to engage your lower core and build the strength in your hip flexors. Your biceps also play a key role in your chopper invert. Once you've got your diamond tuck, your biceps control the tilt into your chopper with control. And lastly, to hold your chopper, your whole body needs to stay active the whole time, otherwise you're just going to slip out of it. Here's the bit most people miss. When you're attempting your chopper invert, it's actually giving you clues about what you need to work on. So if your knees don't come up high enough, that's a clue. If you keep sliding down, that's a clue. If your hips won't stay lifted, that's also a clue. Your body is constantly telling you exactly what you need to work on. The problem is, most of us don't listen or we don't understand how to interpret it. We just end up repeating the move time after time and hoping that it's going to suddenly click. But once you understand what your body is telling you, you'll know exactly what you need to train. And that's exactly why I created the Chopper Starter program. Inside, I'm going to show you what to train, why you're training it, and how to build your own training plan. You'll also get over 12 targeted cross-training and pole conditioning workouts, along with simple training tools to help you stay on track. So, if you've been curious about pole rage, but you weren't quite ready to commit to a membership, this is the perfect place to start. It's just $9.99 as a one-off payment, and you'll get 30 days access to the program. So if you're ready to build a stronger chopper, I'll see you inside.